Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dolon and thank you for watching my channel. And today I have a sweet item for you, and it's mango and coconut jelly. So it's very refreshing and it's very good for the hot weather. So let's start. I'll show you the ingredients and then we'll prepare it. Thank you. So firstly I've got the mangoes ready. It's just some sliced mangoes in a syrup. So I'm just going to put that in the blender machine. I don't need the syrup as much. And then I'll add a bit of orange juice, a lemon juice, okay. So just blend this. No bits is remaining, so we do it properly. So now this looks ready. I will take this out. So I've got 2 glasses of water here, cold water in the pan. I've got 2 spoons of this ready. You can buy this vegetable jelly from anywhere. It's vegetarian, so you can pick it up from any local store. So I've got 2 spoons of this ready to put in the cold water. Put the flakes in, and then I'm going to mix this. You don't want it all clumped up at the bottom, so just keep stirring till it's dissolved and it comes to full boil. Okay, now I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we'll just stir till it all dissolves. Now once it's all dissolved, I'm going to add the mango. So now I've mixed the mango, and you can see, you can taste at this point if you need more sugar or if you need to add anything else. I'm just going to get rid of the bubbles now, all the bubbles here. And now it's ready to be poured into a plate. Okay, so here we have a square dish here. I'm going to pour the mango in here. So just get rid of the bubbles, so no air is left. Here I have some lychees which I picked up earlier from the local shop. I've just made them into small pieces. Usually when I do this mango item, I use mango slices, fresh mango slices, but we're still far away from the mango season, so I'm going to use this. I'm just going to put some pieces in here. This is a nice refreshing item. Now that the lychees are in, I'm going to put some mint leaves in. Now this is all ready to go in the fridge for 4 hours. Here I have the pan again, and I'm going to do exactly the same procedure as I did earlier on with the mango. So again, just a glass of water here, cold glass of water, and I'm going to do exactly the same procedure as I did earlier on with the mango. So again, just a glass of water here, cold glass of water, and in the cold glass of water, I'm going to put in the agar, again 2 spoons. And I'm going to stir this till it dissolves, so keep stirring and then wait till it boils to the full. In the meantime, I'll add half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now you can see it's come to boil. I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll add some coconut milk. So as you can see, the coconut milk that I've poured in has boiled to the full. I'm going to turn this off. Just to say, you can add coconut milk, or you can add almond milk, or you can add normal milk. It's just that coconut and mango goes, so I prefer it. And now you can see it's boiled to full. I will turn the gas off, and now it's ready to pour it with the mango, so we'll take it off. So here I have the mango, which I prepared 4 to 5 hours ago. It's all set. As you can see, it's quite firm. Jelly already. So what I'm going to do now, pour the warm coconut milk that I've prepared. Now I have a spoon here which I will not directly pour the milk straight on, because if I pour directly it's not good, it will break, so I'm going to put it on the spoon. Okay, so 4 hours to set. So here we are, we have the mango jelly. You can see it's all frozen, it's not moving at all, so it's ready to be served. This is very refreshing on a hot day. Just cut them into whatever size you like. So you can see I've cut it into small cubes. You can cut it however you like and you can decorate it. I've just given some pearls here, so you'll have a slight crunch in between the mangoes.